Hi, I'm Faiza. I am the R&D Trainee at Rovensa Next.
What's it like being a trainee at Rovensa Next?
It means working somewhere where sustainable innovation is at the very core of everything, where the most advanced technologies are applied to offer solutions to real problems that farmers face, like, for example, extreme temperatures, phosphorus deficiencies in the soil, or soil salinity. And as a trainee, you don't only observe how that's done, but you actively contribute to these efforts by helping planning experiments, monitoring how the plants respond in this experiment, interpreting data, and sharing these findings within your own team.
What makes the traineeship unique?
For me, it's the balance between autonomy and support. I get to work independently, but I'm also surrounded by a team of very skilled and experienced scientists who are very generous with their time and insight. It's also very unique in the sense that you get to see how innovation moves from the lab to real field conditions. And you get to practice all of the agronomic skills that are required to make that leap. Think of planting, design, setting up even irrigation systems, fertilization. It's very holistic in that sense, and you get to practice everything that you've learned in your education.